PineSol soaked into absorbent materials can deter mice when applied correctly, but the best choice depends on placement, longevity, and safety. PineSol has a strong odor that mice find unpleasant, so start by choosing locations mice frequent, such as along walls, behind appliances, and inside non-food storage areas. For precise placement in small voids, use cotton balls because they are compact, easy to tuck into cracks, and simple to replace without leaving residue. Saturate them, but avoid dripping so liquid does not contact surfaces that could stain. For larger gaps or pantries, a clean rag can cover more area and provide a visible barrier, but it will dry faster if spread thin, so fold it to concentrate solution and change it regularly. Sponges absorb more liquid and release scent slowly, so they are best for removing the need for frequent reapplication. Keep them contained in breathable containers so they do not drip. Always wear gloves when handling chemicals and ventilate the area briefly after placing treated materials, and never apply PineSol near pet food, human food, or areas where children play. Remember that chemical odor methods are a deterrent, not a long-term exclusion strategy, so pair them with sealing entry points and sanitation to remove attractants. Common mistakes include using soaked materials where they will contact food or high surfaces, which can lead to contamination and stain risks, so avoid kitchens and place materials only in non-food storage or behind appliances. Another issue is assuming a strong smell permanently prevents entry. Mice will habituate, so rotate scent locations and combine with physical exclusion like sealing gaps with steel, wool, or caulk. A third concern is overapplication that creates puddles or drips which attract pests or damage surfaces. Use just enough to saturate the material without dripping and check placements every few days. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners locate local contractors for projects related to pest exclusion and home repairs, and we also help contractors find work by connecting them with nearby leads. We host an active discussion community where members share practical tips and experiences about deterrents like PineSol, application methods, and long-term exclusion strategies.